I want us, before we start solving this problem, I want us to use this question on electricity which I posted yesterday. I want us to use it to understand a few things in this topic. And the basic thing we need to understand is the basic difference between the EMF of a cell and the external voltage. The EMF of a cell, external voltage, and the loss volt. That's what I want to use this video to illustrate before we start solving the question. Okay, let's see. If I connect the voltmeter, you can see my voltmeter here. It measures the potential difference across this battery. And I want you to take note that the switch is open. So it means that this battery is not supplying current to an external circuit. It means that the battery which I have here is not supplying current to an external circuit. You can see my battery there. You can see my battery. It's not supplying current to an external circuit. So, in other words, once I complete it here, you can see we record 6 volts. So this 6 volts represent the EMF of this battery, the electromotive force of this particular battery. Now let's see what will happen when I close the switch. Let's see what will happen. You can see I close the switch, it decreases. Now it's supplying current. Now the battery is supplying current. The 6 reduces to 5.5. That 5.5 is what we call the external voltage. That's what we call V external. That's what we call V external. Then the difference between them, it will used to be 6, which is the EMF, and the V external, which is 5.5. You can see that 0.5 volt has been lost, and that's what we call the V lost. And that is exactly how we get that equation. EMF is equals to V external plus V lost. In this very case, you can see C6 is equals to 5.5 plus 0.5. So that is the basic difference. That is the basic thing we should understand about this, so that we will not mix them up. Usually people mix up external voltage and the EMF. So you can see that the loss volt will always be there as long as that battery have an internal resistance. Because a natural battery, normal battery will have internal resistance, so there will always be a V lost, some voltage that will be lost inside the battery due to everything that happens inside the battery, due to the resistance which we have inside the battery. So I will make this video short, but I will also explain other aspects as time goes on. I don't want it to be long, because if it's long I will not be able to post it on WhatsApp. Good morning again.